Followers, now I want to give you so. Now they give you. Quickly. Go and delete all those videos. All those rubbish you've been saying about me. Go and delete them. When trouble sleep, young gang go wake am oh. Waiting in they fine. Balaba, you go get. Balaba, you go get yo. Now that song Abi. Oh, trouble they sleep, young gang go wake am. I just dey laugh. This video now for this woman. I been waiting say you be. What they call Doris Day. Doris, you don't look finish. You say na me you want to drag for social media. Na me, you want the drag. I keep quiet since then. They look you. I never reply you. Now your details, informations about you. Now they gather since then. For that Benjamin, what you say you did. I just they look you, they laugh. All your informations, I don't gather and finish. It in my hand like this. It in my hand like this. You don't look finish. You say you don't say anybody. Maybe you want drag for your page. Now me or you want the drag. See Doris, this will not be share talk. I they give you 24 hours. 24 hours. Make you go delete all those videos what you don't do about me. All those insults, all those videos what they do about me, they insult me. I'm giving you 24 hours to delete them. If not, waiting they come for you, it be like bomb. It be like bomb. You be like say you do they mad. Waiting they come for you. All your information, I'm coming to drop them. All the details.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Lady J one of Germany. So my people, this video when I want to talk about today now about KO family. You know that girl, that baby mama, after the DNA, they find out say now the man get the pikin. He's saying go to take care of the pikin, you know. But the girl, the way the girl did too, the girl want me to take care of her. Like anything she want to do now, he don't get boyfriend. I don't understand. Because the way this girl they do, he wants scatter KO family home. Okay, now he say make he rent 3-bedroom flat for her. Now there him with the pikin one go to stay. You still want date the man? Me don't understand. At least 2-bedroom not rich for una. He say 3-bedroom. Make it come rent am. If the man bring money, so say now the way he want to snatch the man from a KO family, from maybe now he wants now. I don't understand. You say you born for man. When I don't talk, I'm okay. He don't do DNA. He don't find out saying I ain't get up. He want to take care of the pikin. Okay, why you can't stress the family now? I don't understand. This girl matter pass Joromi, my people. This girl matter pass Joromi like seriously. I don't understand. Where did they happen? Where did they play? Eh? I don't understand. You don't do. They never reach you. Eh? My people, this girl matter. I don't know how I want to talk and again. I go put the video make una see am. She just the stress KO family. The way she dey go, it be like say he wants Osifo back. He want the man back. Now wetin I dey see now. Not be only the pikin now. He just wants me the man come back to her. Like my sister. He get a CB now. You see the reason. You understand? The woman upset the pikin never reach you. Now make gonna take your responsibility. They carry all your frustration they give them now. You don't go friend boy. Go friend boy because the KO family don't try for that man well. They say go leave the man for you. Not be only leave him. They say if you want go Nigeria as the way you do now, if the woman agree make it come alone. Not be only go alone. He go with him. You understand my people? So more than me show this video. Let the video go viral. Bye.
Now I want to give you so. Now they give you. Quickly. Go and delete all those videos. All those rubbish you've been saying about me. Go and delete them. When trouble sleep, young gang go wake am oh. Waiting in they fine. Balaba, you go get. Balaba, you go get yo. Now that song Abi. Oh, trouble they sleep, young gang go wake am. I just they laugh. This video now for this woman. I been waiting say you be. What they call Doris Day. Doris, you don't look finish. You say na me you want to drag for social media. Now me, oh God, you want the drag. I keep quiet since then. They look you. I never reply you. Now your details, informations about you, now they gather since then. For that Benjamin, what you say you did, I just they look you, they laugh. All your informations, I don't gather and finish. It in my hand like this. It in my hand like this. You don't look finish. You say you don't say anybody. Maybe you want drag for your page. Now me or you want the drag. See Doris, this will not be shere talk. I they give you 24 hours. 24 hours. Make you go delete all those videos what you don't do about me. All those insults, all those videos what they do about me, they insult me. I'm giving you 24 hours to delete them. If not, waiting they come for you, it be like bomb. It be like bomb. You be like say you do they mad. Waiting they come for you. All your information, I'm coming to drop them. All the details about you, everything about you. All your hidden secrets, everything. I'm coming to drop them like a bomb. You want to try me, Abby? You want to try me? You they try me? You were not informed. 24 hours. Now I want to give you so. Now they give you. Quickly. Go and delete all those videos. All those rubbish you've been saying about me. Go and delete them. Or else. Hey. This Facebook now will contain me as you. You know, see, let me tell you. Earlier, what you they fight for? Where you they call your brother? No worry. Waiting they come for you and your brother. You go know that your body go contain you. I go see if your body go contain at that time. Your brother, if you know what's up with your brother and the wife and the family, you know they shout your brother for social media up and down. Eliab is my brother, Bebe is my sister. Don't go and delete those videos. Now you are going to start. Your own now go to start. Now your page I want open first before I go open Eliab own. If care is not taken. I dey warn you now, not be threats. I dey warn you. I am telling you, 24 hours is what I'm giving you to delete those videos. You don't know. I'm mad. I sell madness in wholesale. I don't get respect for any motherfucker. Don't come for me, I don't come for you. You don't look me facing at me, you want to saga, I mean, you want to drag. They worry you. They worry you. Doris, you they mad. Before you carry her like what I don't know. You they crazy? Sam, it be like I said, the way you did there with your family, with your you born man, what you born for, be may you marry, you not like him. Wait till go before you now, If you know quickly delete videos when they post about me, I will drag you like Tiger Generator. I will drag you in the street of Facebook. It's like you are mad. Go and make research of who I am. God won't punish you. Just better go and delete those rubbish, those insults, those rubbish talk you've been talking about me. If not, when I'm coming back for you, it's gonna be like a banger. That they worry you. You don't look me finish say you want to drag me. You want to take do waiting. You are better. You want the like say you want me the run. You make the run it has scatter. You don't know. See person no. That they drag. You want to say they drag me. Who are you? Who do you think you are? Don't worry. Just there. Just there they watch what will happen. Just they watch the film when I want play about you. You be like say your head not correct. God want punish you. Don't look me finish and me want drag. There's something. It's like you are mentally not okay. Just there they watch me. I'm going to bring a lot about you. I'm going to expose you. I will expose everything about you. Your mind go there that time. Not the person go tell you.